Have you ever wondered why some people in America grow their money faster than everyone else? It's not luck. It's simple habits. Today on Wealth Uno, I'll show you 5 powerful money habits that Americans use every single day to build wealth. And you can use them too. Welcome to Wealth Uno, your place for smart earning tips, online income ideas, and money habits that actually work. If you want to improve your financial life, make sure to subscribe. In the US, successful earners follow one simple rule: pay yourself first. Before spending on bills, groceries, or entertainment, they put 20% of their income directly into savings or investments. At Wealth Uno, we call this future first money. Even if you start with just 5%, consistency builds wealth. Most Americans who manage money well track one number: net worth. Net worth means assets minus liabilities. They use simple apps to check how much they own and how much they owe. On Wealth Uno, you'll see this habit often because once you start tracking your net worth, you automatically make better financial decisions. Living on one income is risky. That's why many Americans build 2 or 3 side incomes: online freelancing, small businesses, digital products, TikTok or YouTube earning, or affiliate marketing. At Wealth Uno, we'll teach you step by step how to start simple side incomes. Even $200 to $500 extra per month can change your entire life. Most people spend emotionally when they're bored, stressed, or excited. Wealth-building Americans do the opposite. They follow a list, a budget, and planned spending. If it's not in the plan, they don't buy it. Less emotional spending means more automatic savings. One hidden money habit is continuous learning. They keep improving their skills in AI tools, online earning, finance basics, and productivity. Wealth Uno will help you learn these skills so you can increase your income over time. If you start following even one of these habits, your financial life will begin to change. Which habit will you try first? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Uno for more money habits, earning ideas, and practical financial tips.